Hey, are you frustrated on your spiritual journey? Are you frustrated on the path that you thought you were supposed to be on and it just isn't quite working for you? Do you feel like you're missing something? I want you to find the link below and click it right now. My application process is open and I'm taking in new clients. And some of you have already put in an application, but you didn't book a call. Book a call with me and talk to me about this because it's really interesting when you understand what's missing from most protocols and therapies. When you understand that missing piece, it all starts to make sense, and then this gets a lot easier. And I want you to think about what if you could actually find the part of you that's missing? What if you could actually utilize the power inside of you? Because it is in there. You just have to learn how to utilize it. So this is to that one soul that hears this and is seeking. And I know you're tired. I know you're fed up. I know you're tired of doing all the protocols and all the different things that they say to do, but it's that one missing piece that once you plug this in, you'll get it and it'll make total sense. I hear a lot about from other practitioners and other therapies and other types of these kind of things. It says, just keep fighting, keep working through it, right? It's the arduous churning. And I think it's the wrong message. I don't think we have to keep fighting. I think once you understand how this really works and what's really deep inside of you, you don't have to fight anymore. The fighting will never work. It only causes more fighting. It's like everything else. If you keep fighting, you're going to cause more fighting, right? And we don't need to do that. So we want to get down deep inside you to figure out what the true you is. And that's what heals everything. Not the fighting through it, not the protocols, not all the question asking and the muscle testing, right? Not trying to figure out how to find a certain vibration, because once you hit on this part of you that's missing, it is the vibration. You will find the true you. Grab the link below, fill out the application, talk to me about this, and let's see where we can take you. In fact, I'll give you a link straight to book a call with me. You can skip the application. If you see this, if you read this and you hear this, this is your ticket just to get on a straight call with me. 50 minutes of my time free for you just to tell you what this is all about. And I want to hear your story. I want to make sure it's a right fit for you. Contact me. Let me know what you think. All right, bless you. I can't wait to speak to you.